Hello and welcome to The Foodie. If I were to ask you which is your favoritist Indian Mughlai dish, 99% of you all will say butter chicken or chicken makhanwala. That's what this episode is all about. We're going to cook some really good authentic butter chicken and then see what people all over have done with this favorite Indian dish. So we're going to start with the traditional butter chicken, the way it is supposed to be made. And for that, I've come into one of the oldest parts of Mumbai. This is Grant Road. And the one place where you can get fantastic Mughlai food is Jafar Bhai's of Delhi Darbar. So let's go into Jafar Bhai's and make a good, authentic, solid, traditional butter chicken or chicken makhanwala. Okay, so I'm inside Jafar Bhai's at Grant Road, and with me is Hassan Mansoori, the son of the great Jafar Bhai. Listen, Hassan, this episode is all about chicken makhanwala or butter chicken as it is called. I know you guys are the kings of biryani, but I also know that you make a really good butter chicken over here.
Yeah, we do. As all Mughlai eateries, you know, butter chicken is famous everywhere in the world. Wherever you enter a Mughlai eatery, the first thing a person, a kid, a grown man, anyone, an adult, they'll say, I want butter chicken. I want butter chicken.
Yeah. It is not only the most popular, it is the safest thing to eat. Everybody knows what it tastes like, but everybody doesn't know what is a butter chicken made of really. What is it? How does it become red and why does it taste so good?
See, Kunal, butter chicken is very simple to make.
Okay.
And the reason being that you are here, that's why I'm showing you.
Basically, what is it? How does it become red and how does it...
Take that color and that consistency.
Yeah, and the taste.
Yeah, the taste
What goes into it?
See, the basic principle of butter chicken is tomatoes and onion. Okay. So we have a calculation of one chicken. We take about 150 to 170 grams of onions and 100 grams of tomatoes. So we boil the tomatoes and we make that into a puree.
Okay, so it's a tomato-based gravy.
Tomato-based gravy.
Okay.
And there's a lot of butter, for sure. The name suggests it.
Yeah, okay.
So there's a lot of butter involved in it.
Okay.
And it's amazing, simply out of the world.
And the chicken is just cooked inside it?
No. You got it wrong. Okay. The chicken is actually roasted. It's tandoori chicken, which goes into it.
Oh, so you take a tandoori chicken and cook it in a tomato gravy with butter in it?
Yeah, with lots of butter and mawa. If you recollect, mawa is what we put in sweets. We do put mawa in butter chicken. So our butter chicken is not sweet, but it's tasty.
Okay, so now that you've told me this, I think we should see how butter chicken is made. Creating that perfect butter chicken is an art in itself. The chicken is first roasted in the tandoor and then shredded in a slapdash manner. Old school butter chicken is till date cooked in a traditional kadhai. The succulent roasted chicken pieces are added to the gravy. The real deal, however, is that dollop of butter and that sumptuous amount of mawa that makes the butter chicken stand out and mouth-wateringly delicious. Final touches are given by chopped coriander to enhance the flavor. No butter chicken is complete without that perfect bread, whether it is a tandoori roti, butter naan or a garlic naan. Well, we've cooked it, now it's time to eat it.
I'll serve you some.
Yeah, sure. You got butter chicken like I'm going to have a feast, huh?
It is a feast. It's always a pleasure having butter chicken.
It is. Bas. Come on, serve yourself, someone. Shall I start with this
Yeah, sure,
garlic
sure.
naan or plain naan?
Whichever you prefer.
I think I'll start with the plain naan. चलो थोड़ा plain naan से start करते हैं. Nothing beats a good butter chicken. You know, I don't know what the beginning or where this butter chicken was discovered. There are various stories about various people. कोई कहते हैं दिल्ली में हुआ, कोई बोलता है पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस हुआ, कौन कहते हैं इंग्लैंड में हुआ. But this is the best tasting Mughlai dish.
It is. It surely is. A lot goes into it.
Yeah. Oh, this is a good butter chicken. Very nice. The thing about this is, although it's got this tomato base, it's not sour and sweet like a tomato should be. It completely becomes one with the masala, and the fact that the chicken is a tandoori, it gets a lovely smoky flavor, and then of course, there's the butter. There's the butter. Batan, thank you very much, man.
You're most welcome.
I was trying to eat one good butter chicken.
Glad
So-
you did.
God bless, and I'll come again and again to eat your butter chicken. Okay?
Surely.
Okay, now, I've eaten this butter chicken, but this is not where it ends. There are a lot more coming up with butter chicken, things that are going to surprise you. So let me finish this traditional, good, solid Mughlai butter chicken and see what we've got coming up.